In this paper, we introduce a four-step methodology to enhance the performance of language models. The first step involves generating an initial prediction. This is achieved by augmenting the task query with task examples for pre-trained models or providing the query directly for fine-tuned models. We employ the chain of thought, COT, and sub-question decomposition, decomp, methods to consider the multi-step reasoning nature of the tasks, thereby aiding in the generation of the initial prediction. The second step involves the use of an asker model. This model is trained to determine whether the initial prediction requires refinement. We fine-tune the asker model on task-specific knowledge and expected outcomes using the COT style. The training data for the asker model is created by generating multiple predictions per example using the language model and labeling them for refinement. The asker model learns to ask relevant questions, map them to the prediction, and decide whether refinement is needed based on whether all questions are answered in the prediction. The third step is the refinement process. If the asker model predicts that refinement is needed, we use the language model to refine the output. The input query and the sub-questions generated by the asker model are used as additional input to the language model for refinement. For certain datasets, additional facts are also provided to the language model during refinement. The fourth step involves a truster model. This model is trained to decide whether the refined output should be preferred over the initial prediction. The truster model is trained using preferred, correct predictions, versus non-preferred, incorrect predictions, pairs. The truster model learns to identify the reasoning chain with the correct final answer. In a majority of the cases, the final answer of the refinement and the initial prediction were the same. In conclusion, our proposed methodology, which we refer to as ART, ask, refine, trust, improves the performance of language models by incorporating a trainable pipeline of asking, refining, and trusting. This approach provides a robust and effective way to enhance the accuracy and reliability of language model predictions.